Hello, boss, and welcome back. It is fall season, the leaves are changing, it's getting colder out, and that means Halloween is getting closer. One of Chef's favorite times of the year, he loves this season, and he has a great hearty fall dish for us today. Chef's going to show us how to make a barbecue chicken and smoky, cheesy potato casserole. Very delicious, very inexpensive, and great for leftovers. This is not your mama's casserole. So go ahead, folks, turn those lights down low, and let's go ahead and get cooking. Start off with a large bowl and some condensed cream of chicken soup. Not sponsored by Campbell's just yet. Working on it. Next up, some sour cream. And then some grated smoky, extra sharp cheddar cheese, or some variation of a smoky cheese. Mix those together, and don't forget all the ingredients will be listed down below. To make things easier, just pick up a bag of hash browns there that have peppers and onions in them, thaw them out, place them right in as well, and keep mixing. Finally, we're going to add some shredded barbecue chicken. Chef just picked up a rotisserie chicken, so it's very simple. Just shred it apart and mix that as well. In a sprayed casserole dish, go ahead and place the mixings right in and spread these out evenly. Chef didn't add any other seasonings because the flavors of everything actually are all you need. Okay, Chef went ahead and broken up some croutons, just crushed up croutons, place those right on top. In the oven at 350 degrees for anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes. And there it is. Nice and golden brown. Chef's going to go ahead and plate this up for us to see. And there it is. It came out delicious, and the leftovers were great too for a few days. Definitely feeds a good 6 to 8 people too. And of course, Chef has his caramel vodka with apple cider mix. Of course, if you're legally allowed to drink, you can make one. And we hope you enjoyed this video. So subscribe if you're new, and definitely try this out. It was inexpensive, tasted great, and is a great fall dish. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.